This guy just flew over my head. He's been missing 6 days. Last time I saw him was a week ago today for the 300-mile race. So I'm gonna get these guys out of here so I can open the loft for them. This is the same guy who was gone for a week. Well, actually, a week and a half or so. Come on. I'll let him in. Alright, so he's been gone a week. Doesn't look too shabby from what I can tell. Oh, I wasn't recording, but anyway, this guy just flew over my head. I was working outside, and yeah, this is the guy that was missing for about a week. What was it, last week? Yeah, he was gone for like 15 days, and now it's 6 days. I haven't seen him since basketing night last Friday for the 350-mile race. Well, it looks like he's back now, and he looks all right. So I just opened the loft for him. Let me put in some food. Hi guys. Slowpoke's back. Well, let's get that over. But now, I'm not getting anything special. This is just cheap wild bird seed with pellets in it and sunflower chips, because I haven't had time to buy the regular stuff, and because they didn't really perform. Where is he? Yeah, he's back. He's right there. This guy right there. That guy with the orange band. Maybe he's got a second family or something.